Okay, good morning to one and all. I am Sandil Kumar, JJ College of Arts and Science, Department of Physics. Okay, now I handle digital electronics, Unit 1, number system and logical gates. Chapter 1 preview. Counting in decimal and binary, place value, binary to decimal to binary conversion, electronic translators, hexadecimal numbers, octal numbers. Counting in decimal and binary, number system. Code using symbol that refer to a number of items. Decimal number system uses 10 symbol base 10 system. Binary system uses 2 symbol base 2 system. Place value, numeric value of symbols in different positions. Example, place values in binary system. Place value 8s, 4s, 2s and 1s. Binary SS1 no. For example, it will come 1 means yes, 0 means no. For example, number 1100, that one equivalent to binary value 1100, that one equivalent to decimal number 8400. Okay, it will come 1 means that one active conditions are applicable. It will come 0 means you can put 0, that one equivalent to decimal number 12. Binary to decimal conversion, convert binary number 110011 to a decimal number. Okay, that one binary value equivalent to decimal value. For example, 1 means 1, another one. Okay, it's 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16 and 32. For example, the based on the position, it will come 1 means we can give that one base we can give that one base value, otherwise we can give 0 value. Okay, therefore 1, another one 2, 0 0, and another one, that one base value 16, last one, that one base value 32. Therefore total equivalent value 51. Okay, test process. Convert the following binary numbers into decimal numbers. Binary, that one 1100. Okay, last one 8, first one 1, that one equivalent to 9. Then binary 1111 means that one equivalent to 15. 0010 means that one equivalent to value 2. Decimal to binary conversion divided by 2 process. For example, decimal number, okay, 13. Okay, 13 means we can divide it into 2, is equivalent to 6, remainder 1. Another one, okay, again we can divide it by 2, 6 divided by 2, that one equivalent to 3, remainder 0. Again, okay, 3 divided by 2, that one equivalent to 1, remainder 1. Again, 1 divided by 2, that one equivalent to 0, remainder 1. Therefore 11001. For example, 13, decimal number 13, that one equivalent to binary value 1101. Test. Convert the following decimal number into binary. For example, decimal 11 means that one equivalent to binary number. Decimal 4, that one equivalent to binary number. Decimal 17, that one equivalent to binary number. Electronic translators. Devices that convert from decimal to binary numbers and from binary to decimal numbers. Encoders translate from decimal to binary. Decoders translate from binary to decimal. Electronic encoder decimal to binary. For example, we can give decimal input 3 means that one decimal to binary encoder, that one equivalent to binary output we can see in 7 segment display or different type of display devices. Encoders are available in IC formation. This encoder translates from decimal input to binary output, that is PCD. Electronic decoding binary to decimal. Okay, binary, we can give binary input. For example, 0 1 1 1 0 0 means that one equivalent to value 4. Okay, this one based on the binary to 761 decoded driver. Electronic decoders are available in IC formations. This decoder translates from binary to decimal. Decimals are shown on and 7 segment LED display. This decoder also drives the 7 segment display. Hexadecimal number system uses 16 symbol base 16 system, that is 0 to 9. Okay, remaining A, B, C, D, F and etc. For example, decimal value 0, 9, 10, 15, 16, that one equivalent to binary value, that one equivalent to hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal and binary conversion. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. Hexadecimal number C3. Okay, C means 12, that one equivalent to binary value 3, that one equivalent to binary value 0011. Okay, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Binary value 110. Okay, that one equivalent to hexadecimal value U. Again 101 binary number, that one equivalent to hexadecimal value 10. That is A. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, divided by 16 process. 47. Okay, divided by 16 equivalent to 2, remainder 15. Okay, 15 means that one equivalent to value F. 2, remaining value 2 divided by 16 is equivalent to 0, remainder 2. That is 47. That one hexadecimal number 47 equivalent to hexadecimal value 2F. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. convert hexadecimal number 2TP to decimal number, place value 256 16s, then ones. Hexadecimal value 2TTP, that is 256 into 2, 16 into 13, 1 into 11. Okay, that one equal to 512 plus 208 plus 11 is equal to 731. Okay, test. Convert hexadecimal number A6 to binary. A6, that is A is equal to 10 value equivalent to the A is equal to that one 10 equivalent to binary number 1010, 6 equivalent to binary number 0110. Convert hexadecimal number 16 to decimal. 16 is equal to 20, that one equivalent value 22. Convert decimal 63 to hexadecimal value. 63 is equal to 3f, that one equivalent to hexadecimal value 3f. Octal number uses 10 symbols base 8 system, that is 0 to 7. Decimal, for example, I can give different type of the decimal number 16789, that one equivalent to binary number, that one equivalent to octal number. Okay, practical session on number system conversion. Use a scientific calculator. Most scientific calculators have DEC, pin, octal number, that is most of the scientific calculators have decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal modes and can either convert between codes or perform arithmetic in different number system. Most scientific calculators also have other functions that are valuable in digital electronics such as and are not, XOR and XNOR logical functions.